Hello students, now let's print this pattern. Here if you see, it's an inverted star pattern, a triangular pattern, but here we have patterns in the upper diagonal, right, instead of the lower diagonal matrix that we have seen. So if you have to print stars, just form your logic first. There are 5 rows, right, and in the first row, if you observe, you have 5 stars. In the next row, you have 4 stars. Next row, you have 3 stars, then 2 and 1. So, what logic this gives? In the first row, you have to have stars equal to the number of rows. With each subsequent row, you are decreasing the number of stars. So, starting from 0, you have to print 4. So, that is total 5 stars. Next time, you have to start from J, that is 0 for the column. You have to start printing from a star from column 0 and go till column 3. So, total there will be 4 stars, right. So, if you build this logic, let's see the program code. This is the program code, again very simple. You need to have 2 loops. The first loop is always for the number of rows and the second loop that we are having is for the number of columns. So, we need to have 5 rows. So, our range sequence is 5, 0 and -1. So, the first parameter tells you where to start. The second parameter tells you where to stop, and this -1 is the stride where it tells you how much to increase or decrease. By default 1 is added, right, because here specifically we have added -1. So, the sequence that will be generated would be 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, not 0. Why not 0? Because in the range sequence this is not included, if you remember, right. So, the sequence that is generated is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In every row, for every row you also have a J loop. J loop tells you the column number. So, if you see for J in range I, right, the first value of I is 5. So, this loop will execute how many times? 4 times, because the range sequence goes till the value of I -1. So, here the sequence will start from 0, go till 1, 2, 3 and 4, because the value of I is initially 5. So, it will go 5 minus 1, that is 4 times. So, 4 times a star will be printed, and after printing the 4 stars, this for loop will be over, the J loop will be over, a new line will be printed and the next sequence of I will start. In the next sequence, in the next iteration of the I loop, now the value of I will be taken as 4. So, next time the J loop will go from for J in range 4. So, the sequence that will be produced is 0, 1, 2, 3, right. So, for 0, 1, 2, 3, you will print 4 stars. Then a new line is printed, then again the I loop is reiterated. Now, the value of I becomes 3, and with 3 the sequence will be 0, 1, 2, 3 stars and printed. So, so on and so forth, this triangle of stars will be obtained.